Hard water problems can silently impact your home, ruining appliances, staining laundry, clogging pipes, and irritating skin. In today's video, we explore the top 5 advanced water softeners that are designed to eliminate these issues and deliver clean, soft water throughout your home. Let's begin with a solid, dependable model, the Whirlpool WaterBoss 40,000 Grain Water Softener. This salt-based system is a top performer in US households for good reason. Designed for families of up to 6, it automatically measures water usage and regenerates only when necessary, helping you conserve both salt and water. It handles very hard water, up to 125 grains per gallon, and reduces up to 10 parts per million of iron, making it ideal for both city and well water users. It's NSF certified for performance, features a user-friendly control panel, and includes a low-salt indicator. Whirlpool's decade-long reputation in water filtration adds another layer of confidence. If you want something reliable that just works without much maintenance, this system is a smart starting point. Next, we have the SpringWell FutureSoft Salt-Free Water Conditioner. Unlike traditional softeners, this system uses template-assisted crystallization, TAC, to neutralize minerals instead of removing them. The result is reduced scale buildup on plumbing and appliances, with no sodium added to your water. This makes it perfect for health-conscious households or people on salt-restricted diets. With a flow rate of up to 20 gallons per minute, it supports large families with multiple bathrooms. And since it doesn't regenerate or use salt, there's no wastewater or backflushing involved. It's essentially a set-it-and-forget-it system, making it one of the most eco-friendly and low-maintenance options on the market. Coming in third is the highly innovative Drop Smart Water Softener, a product that takes softening technology into the smart home era. This salt-based unit connects to Wi-Fi and includes an app that gives you real-time data about your water usage, salt levels, and potential leaks. It can even automatically shut off your water if it detects a problem, ideal for preventing costly damage. Available in sizes ranging from 32,000 to 64,000 grain capacity, it's scalable for mid to large-sized homes. For homeowners who love having control at their fingertips and appreciate high-tech solutions, the Drop Smart is unmatched in terms of convenience and peace of mind. Next on our list is the Aquasure Harmony Series 48,000 Grain Water Softener, especially popular among homeowners with well water. This system includes a high-efficiency fine mesh resin that can handle sediment, iron, and other minerals commonly found in private wells. It also features a digital metered control valve that adjusts regeneration cycles based on actual usage, helping to conserve resources. The built-in pre-filter adds an extra layer of protection for your plumbing, and installation is straightforward, whether you hire a plumber or take the DIY route. For medium to large homes with more aggressive water conditions, this is a dependable and cost-effective solution. Finally, the WaterBoss 950 Compact Water Softener rounds out our list as a great choice for smaller homes, apartments, or anyone dealing with tight space constraints. Despite its smaller size, it effectively treats water hardness levels up to 35 grains per gallon and also filters out sediment, chlorine, and iron. Its all-in-one cabinet design makes it easy to fit into tight spaces like utility closets or small basements. Regeneration is fast and efficient, using very little salt and water. It's a perfect example of how compact doesn't mean compromised performance. For singles, couples, or homes under 2,000 square feet, WaterBoss is a reliable, space-saving solution.